Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to add background image in your web browser using HTML and CSS. Let's go to our code.
First, we have to make our index file index.html. Let's make a div and make our style tag. Give class to the div container. Here in the style tag, use this container dot container border 2 pixel solid black. Let's go to our browser and check what happens. I should give it to width and height. Width 100%, height 500 pixel. Save and go to the browser. Here our div. Use the universal selector in style tag. Margin 0, padding 0. Remove our border and save it. And in container, background image. For background image, we have to use URL. URL dot forward slash. It will suggest you automatically. Background image. Each time background image is showing but not properly. We should background no background size cover. Here our background image. Our background image is not properly seen in our browser because our image is bigger in size, so we should increase the height of div. Let's say 800 pixel. So here it's a background image, so you can add any of your content in this div. Let's say h1 in the div. Hello world. Save, and I will give h1 to color. I'm giving it color so it can be properly seen. White. Let's say our hello world is over our background image. Let h1 font size 40 pixel. Hello world. Any content in this div over this background image. I will make another div in this div and give it to a class container 2. So sorry, class container 2. Here I have an style tag dot container 2 width 100 pixel and height also 100 pixel. Border radius 50%. For creating round div, border radius will be 50% and height width will be same. Let's give a color to a container 2. Background color red, no white. If you want to display flex, justify content center, align items, align items, center. All the content in our div will be shown over the background image. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, like the and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel.